Once you log into QAnswer, you'll land on the new chat interface where you can query across multiple data sources. We've covered this in detail in a separate playlist. Next, head to AI Assistants. Here, you can create your own assistant, give it a name, description, and define its task. You'll also find the AI Assistant library with ready-made assistants across categories. You can use them directly or duplicate them. You can filter assistants by all, created, shared, or favorites. Switch between list or block view based on your preference. Also, quickly find any assistant using the search bar. Next, go to Tools. These are MCP servers you can use to automate everyday tasks. You can connect tools like Google Workspace, Outlook, Teams, and more. Then, we have Organization, where you can access your teams and departments. Next is the Admin tab, available only to admins where you can manage users, configurations, and view stats. For guidance, visit Help and Support, which gives you full access to QAnswer documentation. You can also reach support via chatbot or quick chat. You also have the Organization dropdown, showing all the organizations you're part of. Then, the Profile section, where you can change language, check your plan, pricing, and add-ons. And finally, the Notifications icon, where you'll find updates like shared assistants and conversations. That's your QAnswer dashboard. See you in the next video.